Today I'm going to show you how to create a box blur. This is where we will take a section of the clip and zoom in of the original clip behind the zoomed in clip will then be blurred. Firstly, there are many different filters and effects that you can use. For this particular, as you can see, you can use various different mosaic blur, a radial blur, a zoom blur, a directional blur. But for this particular project, we decided to use a box blur. So basically, what we're going to do here is what you would do with any of these effects. What you'll do is you'll take your video clip from your media pool and drop it into your edit tracks. You're going to delink your audio from your visual track. You're going to add, right click and add a track so that you'll have two video tracks. You'll then move your marker to the end. You will duplicate your video track. So you're going to copy, right click it and say copy, and then right click and say paste. And then move that one to above into your video track 2. Switch off your video track 2 and click on your video track 1. And what you'll do is we're going to just blur the first video track. So you'll drag and drop the box blur onto that track and it will take effect immediately. You can go into the effects here up in the top right hand corner and you can change the different to how much blur you want. Okay, so we don't want it too blurred, so we're going to leave it there. Then we're just going to switch our video back on, and then we're just going to use the transform to crop, because what we want to do is we want to emphasize just this one person who is talking. And then we'll just move them to the center and enlarge their image. Move it so that we can get it nice and centered. So as you can see, what happens by having the box blur in the background, and we can center it nicely, what it does is it kind of just adds that extra oomph to this image that we are wanting to use, and it'll take effect right through. So you can play and you can see this stays blurred in the background, and the image that we wanted emphasized comes to the foreground. If you like this video and like to see more videos like this, please make sure you like and subscribe and hit the notification button so that you get notifications for when we upload more videos. Thank you for watching.